you found the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see, yeah. These days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more fun. I still dream about the days when we were young. I'll take a hit and still finish in one, yeah, yeah. Oh, 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 oh. Memory lane isn't that too far away from our hearts, yeah, yeah. The ones we keep close, we should never let go. So tell me who you love, baby. Take a moment to unwind, fix yourself and realign.
Hey guys, good morning. I started working out today. I know I look like shit, I am sweating, but I'm going to show you how I worked out today. I'm going to show you tomorrow. I'm going to be recording it, filming it. I am using YouTuber, the YouTuber's channel. I think her name is Coco Fitness. I'm using a weight gain workout to start. So officially I just started working out today. Like, I've never worked out in my entire life. I just do it probably once in 3 years, once in 4 years. That's what I do. But now I have decided to be intentional about it and start it. So I started. For you looking for signs to start workout, this is your sign to start working out. You can see the way I am sweating like crazy and my hair is a mess. I just woke up straight and I started working out. Even right now my hands are aching, like I don't even know what to do. I started shaking like I was going to throw up, but I took cold water and I think I'm feeling better. And I switched off the fan right here so that I'm going to go to the kitchen and do my chores, then freshen up. So that's a little update. And guys, if you are new here, my name is Fumi Lola. My name is Fumi. Yeah, so join the family, make sure to subscribe to see much more interesting videos. Don't mind me, I look like a mess right now, but I am a baby girl. Okay, so yeah, I'll catch you guys later. Bye. So guys, this is our channel, Koboko Fitness. This is it.
Welcome to this weight gain workout. If you are a person
so this is what I did this morning.
This workout is for you. No equipment needed. Let's get started with a warm-up.
Yeah, so that's what I did this morning. I'm going to continue tomorrow and I'm going to film.
My day that you're here. Just shift your weight.
I'm going to film when I'm doing it tomorrow. So yeah, that's it. I'll see you guys later. I'll catch you guys later. Love you guys. Mwah. Guys, so I washed my hair and I'm actually preparing to go to my place of work right now. So yeah, I am preparing to go. I'll be right back. Let me just quickly do what I have to do and dry my hair. Oh guys, after the workout, I had a huge headache. I had a huge headache, but now I feel better. I have showered and I feel better. Yeah, I will get back to you when I'm done. Okay, I'm super late and yeah. And I think I'm going to weave this here today. I'm tired of packing it. I'm just going to weave it. And yeah. Right now, I think this is my feet. This is what I'm wearing. I don't know if you can see it from down here. I don't know, but yeah, I have to go. I'll see you guys soon. Bye. Hi guys, good morning. How are you all doing? I hope you are doing beautiful. I hope you are doing fine. So today is 20th of March. Today is Sunday and I woke up with no light, and I have a lot of things to do today, but there is no light, and I need a light to be able to do what I want to do. So right now I'm going to be doing stuff that I don't require like any light to do. I'm going to be working out. You can see my hair is still there. I haven't weaved it. I'm going to weave it later this afternoon, but right now my room is a complete mess. Like, my room is a total mess, and it's a little bit embarrassing, but I'm going to show you guys what I'm working with. It's not like really dirty, because yeah, I'm just going to show you what I am working with. Okay, so let me show you what I'm working with right now for you to see. So this is where I put my like stuff. This cupboard, you can see it's dirty. You might not be able to see it well, but it is dirty. Then my shoe rack, my shoes, they are dusty, really dirty. My bed and things I need to like wash and clean. I need to like clear all these clothes and lay my bed. And can you see this pile of clothes here? Like, this mini wardrobe is not that strong again. You can see how it's actually bending. It's not staying, and I don't even know what to do with it. My brother gave it to me and it's not even standing, so I don't know what to do with it. I need a wardrobe like ASAP. I need a wardrobe, and I also need to like sort these clothes on this chair out. I also have my wig. I want to like wash it, and yeah, this is what I'm working with, and that's it. But this thing, I don't even know what to do with it. I hope I'm able to like, cause it's going to like actually break or remove. It's not even standing well. Oh my god, this is so sad. I don't know what to do. It's really not standing well. Okay, I think I was able to like adjust it a little bit right now. So yeah. battery is low right now, and I'm just going to like do the rest, the other cleanings. I'm going to do it off camera. That's what I'm going to do because the battery is so low. It is really low, so I can't film right now, and there is no light, so I'll do it off camera and I'll show you guys later. Peace. Mama. Mama. She likes it, she loves it when you touch her. When you touch her breasts. Okay? Guys, so my mom have had this plant for like so many years, and this aloe vera plant is not dead yet. Even though during the dry season we didn't water it or do anything, and still it is not dead. And rain has not started like falling really well in Kwara State, and it's still not dead yet, and this is still like thriving. I am pleasantly surprised, and I think that the aloe vera plants don't die easily. I think they are one of the strongest plants I know. I think, yeah, that's it. So this is just the little info I just wanted to update you guys about. It's just inside my compound, and it's just in right in one corner. I just came outside right now this evening, and I decided to like just show you guys what this is. This really tried, actually. It really tried, and it's still not dead yet. What? Okay. Come on, let's go. Let's go. Okay. Mama, sweetie pie, girl, come on, come. See? You want to go out? You can't go out. You cannot go out right now. Like, I came outside right now and I'm enjoying this free fresh air, this breeze. cloud is forming. I just pray it should rain. Just rain. Please rain. This tree is so nice. This is just in my compound, and I don't know what this is used for. I don't know why I'm so fascinated with plants like today. I just don't know why I'm so fascinated with plants today. Yeah, nature is life. Nature is beautiful. Yeah. See? Queen. Hi guys, I look like shit. I just came home. This is like I think 4:30 or to 5. I came to eat dinner and I'm actually finally home for today, and I'm preparing noodles to eat. Yeah, and yeah, that's it. I just came home right now and my face is looking rough. You can see it's not looking tidy. So yeah, let's go and eat noodles.
You follow your desires and follow your passions. This means that you understand that you're worthy of such a thing. And when you step into the energy of I am worthy of good things, I am worthy of experiencing my passions, that's what happens. You actually start to attract money. You actually start to attract success. It's just the natural byproduct of when you step into your own worthiness and honoring your desires. And we talk about that in my course too. It's like a secret seduction. I'm gonna talk about it all the time. This child, I put everything into that course. I just give what I need to give. The last key, the little secret, is make love to the money. Okay, because once you've been flirting with money, you've been talking to money real nice, money starts to love you. Now money wants to stay, money wants to commit because you're worthy and you feel good about it. You're following your passions, and money is so attracted to you, so it gives you the ring. Next thing you know, well, depending on your belief system, but it's just an analogy, y'all. Next thing you know, you're having SEX with the money. You're making love with the money. But what does that mean? Money is value. Value is money. It's synonymous. It's the second house, right? So you want to make love to the value. What does that mean? So when we make love, we're becoming a part of something. We're merging. The soul is trying to merge with another being. But if you merge with the money, money is within inside of you. Instead of trying to chase something, you realize that the things that you want already exist within inside of you because you create it here and it projects into your outer reality. So you want to make love with the money, you want to merge with the money, but what does that mean? How do you do it? You only want to identify and merge with things of value. Now, you can take this on a basic level, right?
So guys, I am so sorry for looking all dusty and a little bit crappy. Okay, so I'm just going to end the vlog here. I don't even know how this vlog is. It's just all over the place. But if you enjoy it, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Love and light. Bye.